Yes, everybody, so you know, says a one pot we are dealing with, so everything is going inside of this pot here. Is it better than school dinners today?
Yes, 100%. Yeah.
Something quick and fast, you can make the curry like this, like a one pot people. Yeah man, a one pot now.
So good, man. Oh my days.
It's easy to peel the white yam, simply just like this. As you see me going straight down from top to bottom. Yes, people, Wagwan, you don't know Wagwan. 24-hour kitchen, Wagwan. We're there up on the roadside. I just set up a restaurant, you know. See it here? Right here, so we got on the menu today, people. We got curry chicken back. I don't know, so we are working with the better pack, cause everything has a better. Alright? Yeah man, a good vibes, people. So we got the curry chicken back on the roadside. The restaurant is right here. Yeah man, we got a table for two. And over, yes sir, come in. Yeah man, we got our portable gas stove. Yeah man, the curry, the chicken is here. I'm gonna season that up in a second. A good vibe, people, yeah. Big up yourself. We're in season 8. Don't be late. Now, so we're using the knife today, but the knife is being used for a cause, a purposeful cause. And the purposeful cause that we're using it for today is for cooking. So come and have a look. The knife is not used for nothing else other than cooking, people. So I just want to encourage everybody here. Left the knife in the yard, man. The knife belongs inside of the what? Inside of the kitchen. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So what we're gonna do, every chicken has a joint. You have to find the joint and get an easy cut. Good vibe. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, people. So yeah, man, everything start off now. So we're on the go. So what I'm gonna start to do right now, everybody, I'm gonna start to I already cleaned this up with some lemon and some vinegar and take out all the parts. You can check out other previous episodes on how to clean meat, how to clean fish, how to clean chicken. A good vibes, but today we're going to season this up. The pan's on, it's getting hot. I'm gonna add some oil into the pan. Yeah man, a good vibe man, I'm gonna add some oil in and then a good vibe. Come in. So what we're doing right now, everybody, we're just adding some oil to the pan, because we can't have a pan on and just make it just go and burn out. No, that not make it. So look at this. Quick things, you know, people. So we've got some chicken seasoning. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, man. And then we're gonna add some grounded black pepper. Just a little bit, not too much. We're gonna put also some whole pimento seed. Yeah man, make that go and deal with the thing said way. And then what we're gonna do next, see it there? We're just gonna rub all the seasoning in and make sure that everything's marinated in nicely. A good vibes. Big up yourself, everybody. 24-hour kitchen. What's the vibration today? Curry chicken back. See chicken back them here, no? Yeah man, see chicken back them here, people, but I had to put a couple other piece of chicken in there to bring the body to the thing said way. But a good vibes. Alright everybody, so what I'm doing right now, I'm just adding the better pack curry. Yeah man, we're using better pack today, everybody. Yeah man. Restaurant is the restaurant right now where we are. We're in the heart of West Croydon, people. Yeah man, and it's all happening. A good vibes. Spin around the camera and show them what's happening and show them that we're actually outside. Yeah man. Yeah man, look at that everyone. Bam. Bam. Yeah man, so we kick it off now. Look in the pan, the curry chicken. Yeah, that is it. What me say? That is it. So what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna let that just go and do its thing. And while that's doing its thing, everybody, we're gonna start work with some onions. We've got some garlic and them things there. We've got some next ingredients that we're gonna be using today, everybody. Yeah man, a good vibe. Look, I've even got my bin right here as well that I'm working with.
Everything.
Yeah man, we have to keep the place clean as well, you know, people. Yeah man, let me say, keep the thing clean. so we're just doing a demonstration of cooking like some curry chicken back. So what I'm going to be using today is like I'm just going to slowly cut up some onion, some garlic, some ginger, some thyme, and just let it go on and flavour up the chicken. And then later on down I'm going to add some yam, some pumpkin. You understand? Yeah, good vibes, you know. Yeah, if you have fast back, you can come taste the flavour instead of it.
Yeah, how long is it?
Probably about next 45 minutes. Yeah man, that's good vibes man. Welcome to Credit. Welcome to Credit. Yeah. Just doing some garlic. Good vibes. Wow, look at that everybody. Yeah man. Curry chicken back, you know. Good vibes. Adding some garlic. Chop up some garlic, nice and fine. Good vibes, you know, people. Yeah, man, I just opened up the restaurant, people, right here in West Croydon on London Road. Everybody, yeah, good vibes. Thank you very much, everybody that's subscribed to the channel. Yeah, man, big up yourself. Look at all the garlic going in. Wow. Yeah, man. Garlic garnish. Give the pot a little stir. Whoosh. That is it. Yes, everybody. So you know, say it's a one pot we are dealing with. So everything is going inside of this pot here. Combine with the flavors that we're creating today. Yeah, man. So far, what's gone into the pot? We've got the curry chicken. We've got the garlic. We've got the carrots. Good vibes. Big up yourself. And guess what I'm gonna add right now? Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah man, a good vibes.
That's how he's speaking of my life.
So what I'm doing right now, everyone, is just adding some corn in the pot. Yeah man, because the corn is just going to be boiling and creating the flavours all the way through, everybody, yeah? Yeah man, a good vibe. Look at that.
Taylor, no.
Yes everybody, so what we've got here now, we've got red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper. Yeah man, the red, gold and the green, people we're working with right now. And guess what as well, we're also working with the pumpkin as well. So we're going to add some pumpkin in as well. Yeah man, we start cutting the peppers them. We're going to the pot, people, just like this, look. Quick things, you see it? Yeah man. Yes, everybody are good vibes, you know. Yeah man. The first meal cooking in outside, inside at the restaurant. Some more garlic, look, just adding more garlic. Garlic brings a nice flavour, everybody, so just add a bit more garlic. Yeah man. Yes everyone, so I'm almost completed cutting up all the peppers. So if you can look in the pot right now, you can see a colour going on. Look at that. Wow. Combination of colours going inside the pot. Adding in, after I add the pumpkin, I'm just going to put the yam in as well. Remember that I got a yam to cut up, put into the pot as well, everybody. Yeah man, a good vibe. So what we're going to do is go and bust the pumpkin in 3, just like that. Give it quite a bit of a big chunk. We're going to leave the pumpkin with the skin on there as well. Good vibes. Made sure that I washed it. That is it.
Bro.
Right, everybody, so I've just added in the pumpkin. Look at that. Pumpkin's gone in. All I'm going to do right now is add the last carrot, and then I'm going to add the yam in, and I'm just going to make it go on. I'm going to make it go on and simmer down for the next like 25-30 minutes. And that is it, everybody. Good vibes. Alright, everybody, so this is the last ingredient that's going to be going inside of the pot today, everybody, yeah?
Chef, what are you cooking?
Who?
You asked me.
Okay, man. Last ingredients going into the pot, everybody, and it's going to be the white yam. Look how nice and beautiful this yam is. Good vibes, nice and fresh as well, everybody. Yeah, man. It's easy to peel the white yam, simply just like this. As you see me going straight down from top to bottom, just get a little bit underneath the skin. The first layer. Yeah, man. Good vibes, everybody. Just like this. Cut it in 2 halves. And then I split it in the middle. And then yeah, we just dash it into the curry pot. Yeah, right now just gonna bust it down the middle like this. Just like so. Good vibes.
See you, I'm
Look at that.
See you. We'll pick a shot in it. Boy.
Whoa, yo, people. Yeah, man, look here. This is it, everybody. Look, we're gonna put all the yam into the pot. All we're gonna do right now is just give it a little stir. Like everything just mixing. Yeah, man, this is a 1-pot curry pot. Yeah, man, all in one, people. Yeah, man, bad boy. So more time you could be at home, you know, and you want to make something quick and fast, you can make the curry like this, like a 1-pot, people. Yeah, man, a 1-pot now talk about, man. Graph in, man. And then all I'm gonna do now, you know, so we have the scratch bannock pepper then. Alright. Yo! So we got one, see it there? Whoa, inside. That is it, people, yeah? I'm just gonna wait for this one here to go and simmer for about 20-30 minutes and a good vibes. Yes, people, look what I want. Look what I want, man. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So, alright, I come back over to where the kitchen is. We're there back at restaurant right again, people. Ho ho ho! Mad thing, you know. Yeah, man, come and have a look at this, people. Look, wow, 1-pot, mister. When me say curry chicken back, smell the flavors coming out that. Wow, the whole strip I got mad right now. Good vibes. Last ingredients, yeah, man. Cause we're not using no fresh coconut, but this is fresh enough. The Duns River coconut milk are good vibes. Yes, people, so what's happened now? I just added in the coconut milk into the pot. Look at this, let me just give it a little stir for you. Just turn up the pot right now. Yeah, man, a good vibe. We're just gonna make this go and simmer for about half an hour, 20 minutes, and that is it, people. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, there. Everybody, so we have an elder forward into the restaurant right now. Yeah, man, I'm going to serve him up some food. I'm just a wait for a lunch right now. See the pot there, so I go and bubble up said way. Ho-ho-hoi! Mad thing, the flavor is amazing. Alright, I see you guys back again, serving time, when I open up back this pot, people. Good vibes. Everybody come in. You have to come and have a look at this. Wow, look. Mad thing. Yeah, man, we come to a grand finale, people, yeah? Let me just stir this pot so that you can have a look. Alright, look at this. Whoa! Alright, look. Good vibes. Thank you very much, everybody that stayed tuned with this episode. What was it about? It's about launching the restaurant right here. Look, London Road, West Croydon, people, yeah? Alright, it's a good vibe. We've even got one customer sitting down waiting for a meal, so I'm just gonna go and serve him up. Big up yourself, people, yeah? 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Where we're there? We're there. You guys wanna try the food?
That is it.
Yeah, sure, yes.
Alright, so look, you have to sit in the restaurant though.
You have to sit at the restaurant.
Yeah, you have to sit
Then can go and sit in there and eat though.
yeah, one thing. You guys sit in there. Alright, so look at this. Yeah, man, we have to make sure that pots over there get a nice, decent serving. You understand, people? Yeah, man, we have to make it stretch. Understand? Yeah, man, good vibes. That is it. I hope you enjoy it, yeah? Alright, thank you very much, yeah? God bless you.
And I wish you all the love in the world.
Thank you.
You're going over there now?
Yes, people. So what we're doing now, yeah? We're doing some table services. Good vibes.
Come now.
Get down. Hey. So it's a good vibe. So we've got 4 clients here inside of the restaurant. A good vibes, you know. So we've got curry chicken on the menu. Serve up with some yam, curry chicken back yam and corn, people, yeah? So we're gonna make them try the Caribbean flavors. They love spicy food. Okay, so we've got 1 meal here.
We're supposed to eat with our hands.
Now we're gonna get you some fork.
Okay, good.
You know Zayn and me?
Yeah. Yeah. It smells very flavorful.
Yeah, so this one here,
Yeah.
it's a curry chicken
I want to
back.
be famous.
You know, be on YouTube anyway.
Yeah.
Let me go and get some fork for you.
Thank you. What's the YouTube account called? I'm gonna subscribe to it.
Yeah? So that is it, you know. It's at a completion, and we're here. We've got the 4 princess them is gonna give us the feedback instantly. Catch them.
How's that bite? How's that bite doing?
So good, man. Oh my days.
Is it better than school dinners today?
Yes, 100%. Yeah.
Better than school dinners, yeah? Alright, good vibes, people. Come on, look, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. We're there. Good vibes.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so RINGO VISION. Yeah, Ringo Vision.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna subscribe. I don't have an account yet, but definitely. 4,000 subscribers! That is so good. I'm gonna be one of these.
Yeah.
Okay, hello everybody. My name is. I want to be famous, okay? And
You got confidence, man.
no one in my school takes sips of me, please, okay? Because if you do, then we're gonna have a problem.
Dick white.
Thank you so much.
The amount curry like.
Yes, it was a pleasure to cook for these wonderful young ladies.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
man. How did you
Look at
guys?
the baby,
How did you
Alba
guys
Bowl,
enjoy the
white.
meal? I just need a quick feedback.
Can I take
It
a
was
moment?
it's very flavorful.
Thank you so much.
Very faithful.
It was very good. Best
Very
cooker
good.
I know here.
Yeah.
So good. But yes.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Delectable.
You could be a chef. You need to start your own cooking show one day.
Yeah, this is one. What the hell?
Oh yeah. I'm so sorry, I forgot about that.
Good vibes. Good vibes.
Good vibes.